Hi guys, I am back with another dip powder mini. So of course I have on my Holo Taco Pili base. When I'm using dip powder, I normally do 2 coats, gel polish 1 coat, and it just allows for easy removal of that product. So I'm going to be using dip powders from Gift of Revel, which this is the February's Gift of Revel. This is Classy and Sassy. Those are the names of the colors for February of 2022. And I will be using my Triple D Delicate Dip Base Liquid and Activator. This is for those that have sensitivities to dip powder. If I don't use delicate or low odor dip liquids, I'm normally using a respirator, and I will don't suffer from dip flu when I use that. However, with this, Revel's dip powders have a pretty strong smell to them, in my opinion. Again, I'm sensitive to smells anyway, so I just put on a regular face mask, and that seemed to help with the smell. So you want to apply your dip base in thin layers, and then I'm just pouring the powder over my nail. So I know you guys are probably like, why are you doing February? Listen, I signed up for Gift of Revel last year, and it was for the full 12 months. And have y'all seen a Gift of Revel a video using Gift of Revel products? So I need to kind of backtrack and do some videos with products that I already have, and not buy so many additional nail dip powder products. But it's hard when you see so many pretty colors. You're like, oh, I'll get that, I'll use that in the future, which is my case. I have a lot of dip powder. Like I have I really want to try iGel Beauties. They have a finer dip powder that they came out with, and I bought 4 colors a while ago, and I haven't used them yet. I have some Young Nail dip powders I haven't used, and some additional Etsy shop dip powders that I haven't used as well. So I'll get around to it. Maybe if I get a chance to do more videos, I'll upload more. But guys, just hang out with me while I do this application. And I've used Triple D's delicate dip liquids before, and one thing that I noticed when using these, you have to kind of dip your finger in the powder a few times so that it will soak up the base that is on the nails. And also you want to use a nail brush when dusting off, and you want to use that very, very lightly, because it's not my opinion, when I use delicate dip liquids from whatever company are odorless, they never fully dry until I go in to activate. So that's just me personally, what I found when I'm working with these. Somebody else may not have the same issue, but with these liquids, I kept hitting my finger on that cupcake liner, and I got indentations on my fingers on the side, and I guess maybe because my nails are longer as well. But guys, these colors, blue's my favorite color, and the one was just like a creamy blue, like denim. It reminded me of a light denim, and actually when I did this set, I had on jeans that actually matched my nails, and I was like, oh, look at there, it matches my nails. But anyway, and then the other color has light sparkle in there, so I will encapsulate my thumb, middle, and pinky finger in Revel's Vivian, which is their clear. I will do that off camera. So guys, just hang out with me while I do this application. as I mentioned earlier, I did encapsulate my nails in Revel's clear, which is called Vivian. I did that off camera and I dusted off or removed excess. And then I'm going in with Triple D's Delicate Activator. It smells like regular activator. I don't know what's delicate about it, but I just know Triple D recommends that you use both their base delicate and their delicate top coat all together. So after my filing and buffing, which I completed off camera, I'm going in with these water decals by Fashion Nails. And I can't remember where I got these from, because you can get Fashion Nail decals off of so many sites. I think I got these off of Etsy, and I remember I had some with some blue in there, and I thought they went perfect with the color from the Gift of Revel for the month of February. So I'm just cutting those out as close to the decal as possible. I will then place them on the tattoo towel that has a waterproof backing on those, and spray them with water. And while I spray those with water, I will apply Maniology sticky base coat to my index and my ring finger and give that time to get tacky. I usually put my fingers in front of my USB fan that I have on my desk. And y'all, I had my sticky base coat during this video. After I started recording, I was like, where's my sticky base coat? I don't know where it went. I thought maybe it fell in the trash. It didn't. So I'm thinking maybe it fell off the table and rolled under something. I don't know where it is, and I'm mad because I don't want to buy another one. But anyway, I digress. So I'm putting on the sticky base coat and giving that time to dry. Usually I'll wait about maybe 30 seconds, 15 to 30 seconds, just enough time to get it tacky on the nail so that it dries tacky. And then I'm going to use a lint-free wipe. These aren't lint-free, but they serve the purpose here, and removing excess water. And this particular decal picked right up off the backing, paper backing, onto the stamper, and I'm using the stamper to place the water slide decal on my nail. And I'll repeat that for my other finger as well. What I did notice on my index finger is that decal, I couldn't get it smooth and like I wanted to, so it does have a little wrinkling in it, and that's okay. I'm just using the silicone tool. This I got from Color My World Dips. It has a silicone end on one end, and then the other one has its tweezers with a silicone part on the end for pressing stickers down and things like that, water slide decals. So I'm just smoothing that out, and then once I get it to where I like it, or good enough, let me say it that way, I'm going to go in and apply Young Nails Ultimate Finish Gel. Yes, y'all know I think that smells like a bologna meat burp, just me, but I'm using it because it has a nice shine and it doesn't run. Nice shine, love the product, but I don't like the smell, which is my problem with a lot of products. Like the product, just don't like the smell, but it's okay. So I'm applying that, and then I'm going to cure my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then off camera, I'll go in and I'll show you the mix. It's a bubbles mix I got off of Scattered Crystals, which is in the UK. And again, my light played tricks on me. It blended in with the color, but it really didn't go with it. Now that I'm looking at it on my hands as we speak in natural light, it didn't really go. So I could have really left the rhinestones out, but y'all know I like to be extra. So guys, here's that bubbles mix. Nice different shades of blue in there, and I had actually put more than that on my middle finger. Didn't like it, so I cut the footage out. So that's why you're like, well, why did she show that but then didn't show putting on the rhinestones? Because I messed up. But here's the finished look. I hope you guys like it. You'll have to let me know what you think. I thought it was nice. I love that blue color. Nice for the spring, summer, even though here today the weather is playing tricks in North Carolina. It was warm all week, and now today it's freezing outside and the wind is blowing. Disrespectful. And that's how North Carolina weather is. But you want to apply your favorite cuticle oil. Again, you guys will have to let me know what you think. So if you found value, guys, please give this video a like. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about this set of nails. And you want to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. It is free. So I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you next week. Thanks for watching.